What's up, girls? You got Danita with Booty Bands, and you have your teal level 2 booty band, and you're ready to sculpt your upper body and your core. I'm so excited that you're with me because I love upper body and feeling that nice good burn. I've got a lot of great workouts. We have a total of 10, and it's gonna spell small waist. So for today's exercise, it's S sculpted. This exercise I've had requested so many times because you're a working boss babe. Whether you have a at-home office or you're at the office, this is a great one that you can do with just your chair and your booty band. This entire workout is only going to take 10 minutes. So go ahead and get started with me, clear your space, grab your office chair, and let's do this. So first I want you to really open up your lungs and energize your body with new oxygen. So we're gonna start the timer. We've got a total of 2 minutes where we're gonna do a nice good warm up. Go ahead and just bring your arms up, reach up, nice good inhale, hold up at the top for just a few seconds, and then exhale. Good, we're gonna go ahead and do 2 more of those. So inhale, bring in all the positive energy into your life, anything that's good that you're manifesting. And exhale anything that is upsetting or disturbing. Good, let's do one more. Same thing, inhale something really good in your life that you're creating, that you're building, that you're almost there. And then exhale anything that is not serving you. Good job. Let's go ahead and go now into posture. You're just going to bring your shoulders up and pinch them back and roll them all the way down. Again, just bring them up, bring them back and all the way down. Let's go ahead and go into about 5 of those. We're on 3, 2, and last one. Beautiful. This one also is really good for energizing. I'm gonna have you interlace your fingers, round through your back, as you're gonna stretch and open up everything that's just been hunched over at that keyboard. You're gonna draw your fingers up, really lift, bring those shoulders back behind those ears. See, as I back, sometimes that's a nice good stretch, and then you're gonna bring it to the side. This is going to really energize, opening up through your lungs and your sides and those muscles that get so cramped during the day. Good, take a nice good deep breath right here, hold it, and just reach those fingers even a little bit more. Good, you're gonna exhale, bring it to the top, and come back to the other side, doing the same thing, just a really good, nice, good focus. You don't want to drop that arm in front of your face. Keep it nice and lifted so your elbows are high. Good, and then you're gonna bring it back. Getting a nice good deep breath, you're gonna exhale out. You're just gonna round the back from here. You can go ahead and place your fingers back behind you, and you're just gonna open up through your chest right here. I'll go ahead and show you to the side. Take a few deep breaths. Beautiful job. That was 2 minutes warm up. Now let's begin our workout. So the first exercise, you're gonna grab your band and we're gonna be focusing on your back. So this is everything that's going to help better your posture and also target that bra strap area. So we're gonna go ahead and start for 1 minute. When we get to halfway, then we're gonna go into pulsing. So right here, I want you to really draw that resistance band, really squeeze it back. Notice the band is right in front of my chest, so which makes it so my elbows are gonna be light and pulling back right where my bra strap area is. So on each time that you bring your elbows back, I want you to exhale. So inhale forward, exhale, give me a nice good squeeze, and I want you to have that mind-body focus where you're really focusing on your back, okay? Now we're halfway. Now I just want you to do little pulses here. So just bring your elbows back and just really pulse. So you got a total of 30 seconds. Just really burn it out for me. You're gonna feel that tension. Keep those shoulders down and just focus on that back. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. 10 more seconds. Oh, that burn feels awesome. It's reversing what sitting down, all that bad posture is doing. Great work, you're done. So next we just focused on back. We're gonna go right up into the shoulders. So I'm gonna go ahead and have you put your hands inside of the band. From here, you're just gonna bring your hands all the way low. You're gonna go ahead and start your timer. We got 1 minute to go. And we're just gonna go ahead and just press against that band, lifting your arms all the way up overhead, really pressing against that band again and bringing it all the way down. We have a total of 30 seconds here, really focusing on that nice good burn that resistance band is creating right here. And it's putting blood flow in that area. It's gonna be strengthening that area, waking it up. Yeah, we got some good workouts, me and you, girl, right here. Awesome. Keep doing it until we get to 30 seconds, which is now. Now we're gonna do little pulses, pulse, 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 and just go on every little step of the way. You're gonna feel that burn right here. It feels good. I know, stay with me. All the way up. Awesome, you see my face? That's that burn. Feels good, huh? You know it. Good, let's go all the way down. Oh, I'm about failure. Oh, that was failure. Good job. Third exercise. Again, these are only a minute long. You can do this. You've got 10 minutes in your day. So go ahead and slip your booty band up on one leg. From here, I'm going to show you at a side angle so you can see this. Go ahead and just grip onto your booty band. And here's the problem that most people make. They bring their elbow too far back. So instead, I really want you to focus on your rib cage, and I want you to really focus on that bicep, the front of the arm, okay? We're gonna go ahead and start for a minute. We have a total of 30 seconds where you're really gonna bring that band up and down, giving it that full range of motion, really focusing. Ooh, nice good burn. Again, you can always do little tiny tweaks. If you need to bring it in a little bit more closer to the body, that's totally fine as well. Any little adjustments, that mind-body connection is where I want you to keep that focus. Now we're at 30 seconds. You know what that means. So let's do it. Here we go. Pulse. You see how I open my hand? I try not to focus on my forearm. I try to really focus on my bicep. 10 more seconds. I know it's burning. Stay with me. I'm sculpting you. That's what I'm doing. Awesome. Beautiful job. Go ahead and now switch to the other arm. Yay. All right, we are doing our chest exercise. I have the booty band around my legs because we're gonna throw in a little bit of some extra in our lower body as well today. So you can go ahead and use a chair or a desk, whatever works for you. Any sort of like incline is going to help be a modification. If you need a little bit extra of a modification, notice that my feet are placed here, so you can always have that set up. For advanced, you would just take your feet further back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the modification first. Let's go ahead and put our timer on. We're doing a total of 1 minute again with a 30-second pulses. Now notice here, my hands are shoulder distance apart, and notice that when I'm doing my push-up, I'm meeting my chest to the actual desk itself. Rather than going too much into my shoulders or too low, you really want to focus on bringing your chest to the actual item that you're going against. Good, now we have a total of 30 seconds there. For pulses, what I want you to do is just here as well with your push-ups. So it's like a jack with a push-up. Ten more seconds. Beautiful job. We only have 3 minutes left, which means this is our last workout. and then we have a 2-minute cool down. So go ahead and place your booty band on your legs. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get the back of the arms. So of course we hate that flab. We hate when we say goodbye, it shakes with it. So you know what, we're gonna say goodbye to that. So go ahead and start your timer. What you're gonna do is you're going to go into tricep dips with your chair. One of the biggest mistakes I see is your butt is too far out. So bring your booty nice and close in. No cheating, I'm gonna have you restart that timer. Okay, so you're gonna go down, bring it up, and I want you to bring that knee up, knee up. Yep, same thing, here we go. Down, knees up. So this way, you're working your tricep, and I'm starting to get your core, because I've got some fun workouts that are coming your way to start targeting that core. So don't let this be your last and only workout, baby girl. We are gonna get that whole upper body, because you just did all of your lower body. Good. You are 30 seconds in. Check this out. You're gonna go halfway, and I just want you to pulse with your legs while pulsing with your triceps. It's gonna burn. Stay with me. This is the dessert. This is the grand finale. Stay with me. Guess what? We only got 10 more seconds. Breathe it out. Breathe it out. Push. Push. I told you I was gonna get rid of it. I ain't lying to you. Oh, that burn. Look at my face. Awesome. So now let's do our 2-minute cool down. So go ahead. I'm gonna just show you. It's only 2 minutes so we can do this nice, good stretch. So I'm gonna first start with my triceps because we just burned those puppies out. So bring both hands right up overhead. You're gonna bend one, and you're just gonna reach the other hand and pressing that elbow so that your hand is going down towards that spine, down towards the ground. Just hold for 3 deep breaths. Beautiful job. Bring it up. We're just gonna go ahead and go into the other arm now. Notice that my elbow is just straight up over my head. I'm gonna go ahead and show you behind. See, as I'm even inching my fingers even lower and lower down my spine. That's where a nice good stretch is. Awesome. Now let's go into our biceps, into our chest. I call it my hitchhiker stretch. So just bring your thumbs up. Bring it all the way behind you, and you're just gonna take those thumbs and just twist them down and just keep bringing your arms back as far as you can. What a nice good stretch. You're gonna feel this in your shoulders, your biceps, and your chest. Now we're gonna reverse this stretch. Take your hitchhikers and reverse it backwards and do the same thing. Just really pull them back and allow that blood flow to come in through those muscles. Beautiful. Let's go into the back, so interlace your fingers. So go ahead and interlace your fingers. We're gonna go ahead and round through the back. You're gonna feel this through the shoulders as well. Get a nice good stretch. You're gonna bring it up. Reach those hands as high as you possibly can. Bring in those arms behind those shoulders. And then just go ahead and open up through the sides one more time because it just feels so energizing. Feels rejuvenated. After you've just been working so hard, you need that energy. So, last and foremost, I want you to give yourself a nice big hug because you should really be appreciative for yourself, your body. It starts with self-love first. And guess what? Now you're gonna go eat something really nice and healthy for me. You're gonna focus on clean foods. You're gonna focus on water and vegetables. And you're gonna focus on not sugar and all that fried food. That's not going to give you that nice, good, clean look, okay? So stay focused, and I'll see you on the next workout.